Welcome to the Business Financial News Network channel. I am Banny, and my job is to relay the latest business and financial news. CoreWeave sells access to NVIDIA's powerful GPUs for running AI models, and Microsoft signed a deal with CoreWeave to ensure adequate computing power for OpenAI's ChatGPT. OpenAI relies on Microsoft's Azure cloud infrastructure for its computing needs, and both Microsoft and CoreWeave declined to comment on the deal. The introduction of OpenAI's ChatGPT sparked a rush among companies like Google to incorporate generative AI into their products. Microsoft has also been developing chatbots for its services. Due to high demand for its infrastructure, Microsoft seeks additional access to NVIDIA's GPUs. CoreWeave's CEO mentioned a significant increase in revenue, and the company received funding from Magnetar Capital and an investment from NVIDIA. NVIDIA's stock price has seen substantial growth, driven by increased demand for data centers related to generative AI and large language models. CoreWeave offers computing power at a lower cost compared to other cloud providers, including NVIDIA's A100 and A40 GPUs. Some CoreWeave clients have faced difficulties obtaining enough GPU power on major cloud platforms, leading CoreWeave to recommend A40 GPUs as cost-effective alternatives. Microsoft has also explored server rental discussions with Oracle to address additional capacity needs. In other news, Republican senators' demands for increased defense funding pose a threat to Majority Leader Chuck Schumer's plan to expedite a bill to raise the debt limit and avoid default by June 5th. Senators Lindsey Graham and Susan Collins criticized the bill passed by the House, which caps defense spending at $886 billion in 2024, with modest increases in subsequent years. Graham and other senators want an emergency defense supplemental funding bill to address what they perceive as inadequate funding. Schumer has committed to keeping the Senate in session until a bill is passed to prevent default, emphasizing the urgency of the situation. To fast-track the bill, all 100 senators must agree, but several senators, including Mike Lee, Rand Paul, and Tim Kaine, have objections to specific provisions. The time constraint complicates the usual Senate process, as Schumer has stated that the bill cannot be sent back to the House to avoid the risk of default. Defaulting on debt obligations would have severe economic consequences globally, including job losses and disruptions to government benefits. Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell proposed allowing doomed amendments to be voted on separately in exchange for a full Senate vote on the debt ceiling bill. Passing the compromise bill and sending it to President Biden is seen as crucial to stabilize the country and the markets. The Fiscal Responsibility Act is a result of a deal between House Speaker Kevin McCarthy and President Biden, garnering more support from Democrats than Republicans in the House. What do you think of Microsoft's deal with NVIDIA-backed company CoreWeave? Do you think this deal will improve the growth of Microsoft's cloud computing infrastructure? Also, what do you think of the current status of the debt ceiling bill? Do you think a deal will get done before the U.S. government runs out of money? Let me know in the comments below. Let's get a discussion going. If you want to be updated on the latest business and financial news, hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Take care and have a great rest of your day.